Now the flowers. Oops.
Ya, ini kan. Kalau sini.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm the speaker. Thank you. A little bit yeah.
Okay.
A bit more bigger.
Yeah.
Great, thank you. That will be alright. Thank you.
Alright. So my mom still take something.
Here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So this one, where can I put
Bu, main apa yang mau tanya nih kan? Yeah, so I just make a space.
Yes.
Because we don't use this.
The petal is below and
And now we'll put flowers. The best part, I guess.
okay.
I think my mom put this.
Yes. Let's wait.
And then
Bu,
sugar cane. You need sugar cane.
Alright, so we start now.
Start with this? Okay.
Yeah, you can just put here like this.
So this is a dry leaf.
Yeah, we use a dry leaf.
Start with a dry leaf.
For the first, dry leaf. This is always okay.
In the middle.
Okay. Yeah. So we put this dry leaf first.
Dry leaf in the middle. Yes. Then banana.
Kan timpang na bensin tu no biru tu. So you will have
Sugar cane.
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Yeah.
Anyone needs
Sugar cane.
And
Yes, we need banana.
this is we use a sliced banana on the top.
So for now, dry leaf, sugar cane, and banana.
And then we start with the flowers.
And why do we put it at the bottom?
Yeah, because we like a middle, everything like a yin yang balancing.
Ah.
Yeah, so we balancing.
And why do we have the kind of a butterfly flower made of leaf under?
Yeah, I mean this like the what I call the symbolism, or like the how to make the different flowers with the different place and different function. Yeah.
All right.
And then now we put the flowers.
Yes.
Nah itu tuh stepless.
Bagus ini tuh.
Ini Bu.
Ah, the stapler.
It's complicated, isn't it? We think that is simple and easy, but for a beginner, but if you do it every day, you get mastering it. Yeah. Yeah.
But for the first time, yeah, it takes some time.
Yeah, we recommend butterfly.
Okay.
Clockwise. So only one, not one, and then click. Okay.
And then we continue to make a flower.
Yes.
Mana bunganya?
Let's put beautiful flowers.
White flowers ready.
Okay.
On the top.
There, yes.
What kind of
We use
flower?
the white, the first in the top.
The white flower. Okay.
Yeah, I
Do
use
you-
the white. Oh, blue.
Oh.
Ini ya Bu ya.
Smells really nice.
Smells good. Yes.
Nah, ini naik ini.
And we just put it like this.
Yeah.
So we just put it like this.
Use this one. Every
Oh, yeah. This is I forgot the name of the flower, but
Frangipani.
Frangipan.
Frangipani.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot the name, but tiara flower.
Tira. Oh yeah.
Tiara, yes. It's the same, similar flower that you used in Tahiti to make monoi.
Oh, okay. Monoi.
Yes, it's made from the Tahitian version, but it's similar. Yeah.
So in the red we use the red.
Putih di atas, kuning di bawah.
Yeah. On the top white and then yellow in the down.
Red.
Tolong Mbak.
On the right.
Yellow.
Right.
Why do we start with white?
Yeah, I was everything start with the top. With the white. Itu bawa kini yang kuning Mbak.
Okay.
So,
Ini kata ibu di bawah.
apanya?
Ininya diangkat dulu.
Oh ininya.
Banana ini.
Ya.
Merah?
You put-
Mana tadi? Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
on the down,
That
everything.
one, yeah.
You put the sugar cane, the
Everything.
dry leaf, and the banana under the.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
So on the down, we put this.
Orange flower now, or
Yeah.
yellow.
That one, yang sebelah kiri apa?
Also smells good.
Very good, very good.
Very good. Okay.
Oh, campur.
Okay, you can choose between purple or blue on the left.
So in the right, we put red.
Why on the right?
Yeah, because it's of God of the Brahma, like the fire.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can take it.
The red. Yes. The red petals
Yes.
on the right side.
Yeah, on the right.
Habis itu,
Any? Or?
habis
Okay.
ini biru.
Yeah.
And then the behind here, the blue.
The blue and purple.
Yes.
Di tengah ya.
Okay.
Bener.
Smells so nice.
Yang ungu tolong mbak. Kita belum ungu.
Bunga atau biru pilih salah satu.
Yeah. You can choose this one, blue or purple. I more prefer blue.
I prefer blue too. Not both?
Maybe.
Yeah, you can do both also.
Up. And my two hands. And now put them on the left side. The blue.
Ini bu.
The position like this.
Okay.
All the roof on the back.
Wow, the blue ones are beautiful.
Yeah.
I didn't see them.
And then on the top we put like the green leaf.
Yes, the
Slice.
nice smell
Done.
grass.
Done.
Is it grass or?
Not this, the pandan. Oh, cool. Apa sih bahasa Indonesia pandan?
Pandan.
Sorry.
Like this.
Aduh mas, di.
All right.
So later on, everyone, Adi will make a video, and then one by one we'll pass him, and then bringing the offering. Yeah. So one, and then we go there only. Yeah.
And you push or you
To make the video.
Yeah, I'll do it.
You don't. Boleh di picture dong. Di picture dong.
Oh, done. I think you
And
can
then we
put
go
more
there.
here. Look nice.
Yeah. Yeah. And then we
And
go
then
there.
another like this one. We still have the white for more beautiful. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Jadi dia kan mau bikin video dari sini.
Nebu, nebu.
Nanti kita kembali di sini.
Nebu, nebu.
Yes.
Ini apa namanya? Ya, gitu.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
Yep.
So now it's done.
Okay, finish. If you want to put another flower, if you still have, you can put
Yes,
another.
because I still have space
Yes, I mean the same color in the same
in the same part of the.
same button. Yeah.
How do you call, by the way, the
We
recipient?
call canang.
Canang?
Canang.
Canang?
These
Okay.
are basically offering we use every day in Bali.
Wow, beautiful.
We use for the ceremony, for the temple, for usually we pray for every day. So have you been to Holy Water?
No, I have not.
Anyway, tomorrow we have plans to go in Holy Water.
Oh,
Yeah, if you guys interest, yeah, you can come and join.
okay.
So well, everything finished.
Nice. So now that we made beautiful stuff, it's picture time.
Yes. So ini sama aku. Coba
Yes.
ke sana ada.
It smells so nice. Can I put a little more blue?
Yeah, you can.
Blue is
put
so
more.
beautiful. I still have a lot of space. All right. Let's make beautiful flower arrangement. More blue and a little purple.
Yeah. Just a small basically offering we use every day. We call it chana. This is like
You put
the
it somewhere special or you just put it in front of the house?
Here we go.
part of the house, the street, on the temple.
Beautiful Balinese
Balancing
flowers offering.
everything like the up, middle, and the down. Like gratitude for what we have. Yep.
Oh, and you even have a special.
This one.
Oh yes, the special. Yes.
Bamboo, yes, the symbolic of the like we call like penjor. This like similar with Christmas, but in the meaning of the penjor, symbolic with we call like a mountain.
Okay, we made beautiful offering.
so
Now
like
it's time for
the
pictures.
bamboo, philosophy, symbolic of the dragon, and in the mountain, and then all we use like something with banana, coconut, every Yeah, we have in art, like the symbolism of the gratitude about what we have, because we will celebrate one of the biggest ceremony we call Galungan. So almost every 6 months in the year. Yeah. We always use the candle like Christmas tree every Galungan day.
That's why this year a lot of
Yes, exactly. We celebrate every the biggest day
you have
in Galungan. Yes, we have in front of the house, on the street. I mean, like birthday ceremony in the temple. Nice.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you, Krishna.
Yeah, my pleasure.